Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's see how to make this delicious lemongrass tea today. Take 1 and 1/4 cup of water, let it boil for 1 minute, add tea powder 3 teaspoon, then add pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, add lemongrass 3 teaspoon. I am making 2 cups of tea, so accordingly you can put the lemongrass and the pepper powder and just give it a boil for 1 minute. Give it a mix and boil it in the high flame. And take milk 1 cup. I'm making 2 cups, so accordingly you have to take milk. I'm taking skimmed milk, fat-free milk, and adding it to the tea and giving it a boil. After that, reducing the flame and letting it boil for another 5 to 6 minutes in low flame. And then I'm adding the sugar. So I'm taking the brown sugar. You can take normal sugar as well. I'm taking 2 teaspoons. Then switch off the flame after 1 minute. Give it a mix and our tea is ready. Strain to the cup and enjoy this hot tea. This was very refreshing tea. You should definitely give it a try and do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.